ReFuel AI. In 60 seconds flat. 100% done for you. Copy and paste AI system. Makes us $10,000 plus per month. We're making thousands per day. Now it's your turn. Zero monthly fees, made for beginners, no tech skills, risk-free. Hurry! Limited spots left. ACT right now. This offer will expire without any warning. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. You're now just 3 clicks away from job replacing freedom. Do it from your phone, from your laptop, from anywhere. Step number 1. Grab a copy of ReFuel by clicking any buy button on this page. Hurry before the price goes up. Step number 2. Activate the app's AI, copy and paste, profit technology from your phone, laptop or computer in less than 60 seconds. Step number 3. Enjoy the power of automation and AI bots. We're making up to $1,497 per day every time we copy and paste where the app tells us. Simply incredible. Simply incredible. More than $1,497 in profits per day. Straight into my affiliate account, without selling anything myself. All I had to do was copy and paste a single line of text into my automated bots. Activate the AI technology and watch the commissions roll in. That $1,497 is pure profits. There are no expenses or overhead with this. It's all because of a $2.3 billion market and an artificial intelligence loophole. All we do is copy and paste one single line of text to activate the AI technology. It only takes seconds. Then the system and the automated bots does the rest and runs by itself, even when we're offline and asleep. Whenever we copy and paste, we get paid. Copy and paste 1 time equals $1,497. Copy and paste 3 times equals $4,491. Copy and paste 6 times equals $8,982. Copy and paste 10 times equals $14,970. That's pure profits. The 24th of July 365 from anywhere. Even our couch. This is the same AI technology being used by millionaire influencers on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, including social media superstars like Mr. Beast, Jake Paul, Leo Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Kylie Jenner, Khaby Lame, Charli D'Amelio, Addison Rae and many more. All of them are tapping into this AI breakthrough to make millions per year. And now it's your turn to do the same. All you need is a mobile device and an internet connection. So, dear friend, if you want to buy this product, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.